When precision is key, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best digital angle finders, where we delve into the most advanced and reliable tools available for accurate angle measurement. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. TULE. The TULE goniometer electronic protractor stands out as a comprehensive solution for precision angle measurement, combining high-tech features with user-friendly design to cater to a range of professional and DIY applications. This digital gauge is engineered to meet the diverse needs of users with its versatile functionality and advanced capabilities. One of the primary highlights of the TULE protractor is its ability to measure angles across a full 360-degree range. Whether you're tackling complex woodworking projects, precision metalwork, or any other task that demands accurate angle measurements, this tool ensures you can capture any angle with ease. The flexibility of measuring from 0 to 360 degrees provides comprehensive coverage for all your angle finding needs. Number 4. LEFFER. The LEFFER 200mm digital angle finder ruler stands out as a precision tool designed for accurate angle and length measurement. This versatile protractor and inclinometer is engineered to meet the needs of both professional tradespeople and DIY enthusiasts who require reliable and exact measurements in their projects. With its 200mm length, the LEFFER digital angle finder is compact yet robust, making it an ideal choice for a variety of applications. Whether you're working on woodworking projects, metalworking tasks, or any other precision-required work, this tool provides the accuracy needed to ensure your measurements are spot on. Number 3. LETITGO. The LETITGO 2-in-1 digital angle meter is a standout tool designed for precision and convenience in both angle and length measurement. This advanced digital goniometer combines the functions of an angle finder and a ruler, providing a versatile solution for various measuring needs. With a comprehensive measurement range of 0 to 360 degrees, it covers all your angle measurement requirements with ease. Designed to deliver accurate results, the LETITGO digital angle meter features a resolution of 0.1 degrees and an accuracy of 0.3 degrees. This ensures that every measurement you take is precise and reliable. Whether you need to measure inner, outer, or angular dimensions, this tool offers the accuracy required for professional and DIY tasks alike. Number 2. ETOPO. The ETOPO digital angle finder stands out with its exceptional design and functionality. This tool offers a comprehensive solution for both length and angle measurements, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. With its 2-in-1 capability, it effectively combines the features of a digital protractor and a ruler, allowing users to measure angles from 0 to 360 degrees and lengths up to 200 or 300 millimeters with ease. The ETOPO digital angle finder is engineered for user convenience, featuring 3 straightforward function keys that make operation intuitive and efficient. Its stainless steel scale ensures durability and longevity, withstanding rigorous use in various professional settings. The tool's big LCD screen provides a clear and quick display of measured values, enhancing accuracy and ease of use. Number 1. SHA. The SHA digital angle finder protractor stands out with its exceptional functionality and versatility. This advanced tool excels in providing both relative and absolute measurements, making it indispensable for a variety of applications. With the ability to interchange between these measurement modes seamlessly, it allows users to handle a range of tasks from wood processing to auto repair with remarkable accuracy. One of the key features of the SHA digital angle finder is its angle and slope readout conversion, which enhances its versatility in measuring different types of angles and slopes. The device also includes a data hold function, which ensures that you can capture and retain measurements for further analysis or reference, even after you've moved the tool away from the measurement point. Thanks for tuning in to our review of the top 5 best digital angle finders. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Drop us a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have about these tools. Until next time, keep measuring with confidence and precision.